Hello everyone, welcome to the 10th episode of Grain Quest. Today we are going to explore a very special grain, buckwheat. Buckwheat is a kind of sweet, flat, cold and non-toxic food material. It has a wide application value in traditional Chinese medicine. First, let's look at the benefits of buckwheat. Buckwheat has the effect of lowering the qi, widening the intestines, eliminating stagnation and laxative, can help with intestinal problems. In addition, buckwheat stems and leaves can also reduce blood pressure and stop bleeding. Buckwheat seeds are good for stomach and digestion and stop sweating. Next, we will introduce the supplementary effect of buckwheat. Buckwheat in dysentery, leukorrhea, high blood pressure, bleeding. It has a certain effect on yellow sweating and other aspects. In addition, buckwheat can also be used externally, has astringent, antiperspirant and anti-inflammatory properties. Now let's take a look at some of the dietary remedies related to buckwheat. If you have dysentery, you can mix 6 grams of soba noodles with sugar water. For chibai belt, you can fry buckwheat and grind it into powder. Mix with egg white to form a pill, take 30 grams each time, and take 2 times a day. If you have high blood pressure, fundus hemorrhage, capillary fragility hemorrhage or purple scar, you can take 30 to 60 grams of fresh buckwheat leaves. 3 to 4 lotus root joints, boil and drink. For yellow sweating, you can take 500 grams of buckwheat and grind it into powder. After shelling, add brown sugar pancakes or cook. Finally, for summer Sha syndrome, you can stir-fry buckwheat noodles. Add boiling water and stir into a thin paste. Eat in moderation. Buckwheat as a grain plays an important role in traditional Chinese medicine, but be sure to consult before using. Advice from professional doctors or Chinese medicine practitioners to ensure that it is in line with individual circumstances. Thanks for watching this episode of Grain Quest Buckwheat. Please continue to follow our channel, explore more interesting grain knowledge together. Thanks.